Morning. We're having a look at what potentially could be a big hole appeared in the weir in this back apron. So we spotted it from a drone photograph. This is Mr. Buonetti coming up here. I was a bit worried, a bit bothered that a tree had maybe dug in these floods that we've had. But you could see a dark patch on the photograph, but it doesn't look too bad. It possibly is just discoloration of the stone. But it had been inspected it had been inspected at close level for about 40 years, so it's probably as good we're having a look here. This is it. Well, you can see it on the photograph. I thought this would be a big hole, Rob. Is it?
Yeah.
Should we keep going, just have a wander on?
There's a hole there, isn't there?
Oh yeah, but that's from long ago, isn't it? It hasn't dug any stone out. It's a bit deeper here. Yeah, so when all this was breached in front of us here, all this area was dry as a bone and we could do concreting. I mean, I was 18 years old then, 20-year-old, something like that. But as you can see, a lot of this is just concrete. And then you get back to the old stone sets. But like I say, we haven't been on here for 40 years. 1982. Were you around then? You were just a little lad, weren't you?
I was 10.
Did you help at all then, or did you notice it going on?
Yeah, I remember it.
And this is all concrete here.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's a proper...
It was a proper job.
Yeah, it was. I remember the weir being, like you say, dry.
Yeah.
It's coming through a middle bit section, isn't it?
Yeah. Saturday morning, nice and low the river. Football now. But, oh aye, completely different to when it's coming through in the torrent. I think that's as much as we need to see, Rob, isn't it? So that was an interesting exercise and well worth doing because we haven't been on there for a long time. What we might do in the future is just stop the water flow coming over the top in certain sections and have a look at that front face of the weir and just check that there's nothing untoward on the face there. And finish off with shots of the